How to remove water pump. First switch off the machine. And then unplug the machine. Open the left side panel and make sure the water is drained completely from the machine. To check whether the water is completely drained or not, open the black smaller lid and then pull out the red rubber part, and after checking close the black lid. Now remove the screw from the water pump with screwdriver. And remove the pump wire from the connector. And then pull the pump outside. Lastly, remove the pipes from the pump. How to fit water pump. Insert the pipe in the pump. Fit the pump in the screw. Now tighten the nut. Then put the pump wire in the connector. Close the side panel.